What if there was a way to simultaneously reduce disability, prevent chronic disease, and improve cognition for older adults? Thanks to clinical trials, we can say with confidence that physical activity can provide these benefits and more for our aging population. These clinical trials are widely regarded as the best method for testing the effectiveness of a treatment or intervention. They enable knowledge synthesis, where the results of these trials can be combined to form a strong, evidence-based conclusion to inform patient care in healthcare and health promotion. Amazing! Let's synthesize existing physical activity research to see which interventions are the most effective. We'll pull together all these trials and come to a simple conclusion. Wait a minute, none of these trials have measured the same outcomes. How can we pull together this evidence to determine which one was the better one? This large assortment of outcomes leads us to the issue of research waste and limits the real-world impact of these trials. So what are we to do? The aim of my research is to create a core outcome set, commonly known as a COS, which recommends a minimum standard set of outcomes to measure in all clinical trials of physical activity interventions for older adults. To do this, we'll conduct an online, multi-round interactive survey with researchers, physiotherapists, kinesiologists, and older adults themselves to determine which outcomes are essential to measure in these trials. Participants will rate potential outcomes on a 9-point scale, ranging from not important to measure to critical to measure. They'll continue to rate these outcomes in subsequent rounds, narrowing them down until consensus has been reached on a short list of outcomes. We can think of our participants as sculptors, each providing a unique perspective and lived experience, working together to chisel down this indiscernible block of outcomes into something that can be appreciated and have a positive impact. The final costs will be available for use in future clinical trials and lead to a decrease in research waste and improved capacity for knowledge synthesis. The downstream effects of the costs will influence policy and practice to improve the healthcare and health promotion for older adults. In order to move from this indiscernible blob of outcomes, we must see collaboration from researchers to use the core outcome set we generate. We know the benefits of physical activity for older adults, but it's about time we shape our outcome selection to sculpt a better future for our aging population. Thank you.